Hello bass players, Alex here to get you up to speed on your right hand bass technique. There are always new ways that you can learn to play your bass, but by far the most common and versatile is fingerstyle. The basic idea of fingerstyle is pretty simple and pretty intuitive. You just pull the string.
Pull the string! Pull the string!
Yes, exactly. Just pull the string. But there's more to it than that. Let's break it down. I want your hand position to be in a shallow angle, basically flat over the strings, more or less. The most common mistake in hand position, especially if you have a background in playing guitar, is to bring your fingers down into the strings this way. We don't want that. We want to reach across the strings this way. The advantage in this low profile hand position is that it sets you up for solid right hand technique with all the other things that we are looking for. As always, power, control, and efficiency. It all starts with this hand position. Another very common mistake, and again, especially for guitar players, is to pull up from the body of the bass. This does not give us the power or the control that we need. You should be pulling down towards the next lower string or away from the next higher string, and maybe even slightly down into the bass so that you are pushing the string almost into the body of the instrument. One of the main advantages of pulling the string into the bass is that you get a lot more power with very little effort. And finally, if you've noticed, you want to land your finger on the string below it like this. So if I'm playing the D, it should land on the A. If I'm playing the G, it should land on the D. This is very important, and it's one of the easiest pass or fail indicators of strong right hand technique. It ensures that your hand position and direction of pull will be correct. It also ensures that you will get a nice, boomy bass sound, giving you good bass tone and allowing you to be heard over the rest of the band. I also call this muting for free. If my E string is ringing, like so, and I play the A, landing on the E, I will have automatically muted that E string. Remember, we want to be touching all the strings all the time. With this one technique on a 4-string bass, I have half of my strings already covered. One is ringing out, the A. The other is being rested on, in this case, the E. If my E string is ringing out and I play the A, here's my E, I play the A. Without landing on the E, now they're both ringing, and now I sound terrible. But if my E string is ringing and I play the A and I land on the E, it's completely muted. For free, no extra effort, no extra thought required, no extra charge. And I don't want you to just lightly touch that string. You should land on it with full force. Of course, on your lowest string, there is no string for you to slam into with your finger. So just do your best to keep your technique solid there, pulling away from the higher strings and slightly into the bass. There are a lot of advantages to landing on the string below. The biggest one is the pass or fail test. It's an easy way to check on your technique, making sure that it's powerful and clean. It also ensures that you get a nice, big bass tone, which of course is what we're usually after, and of course keeps that string below from ringing out. Muting for free. Those are the basics of fingerstyle. Keep your hand flat, pull into the bass, land on the string below.
Okay, that's it.